messing around this evening on some playback data. I got the delta bars up on the main chart, and a 5-minute chart, and a 60-minute chart. This is the price action from this morning, Monday. Check out where price came down to on the delta bars chart. This purple line is one of the special custom volume level lines that comes with the key levels indicator. And these lines are different for each time frame or chart type. So on the 5-minute, you can see earlier in the day we came down to one at 5:51 on the 5-minute chart. That line was not on the delta bars chart. So this is a special 5-minute volume line. We came right down to that, rejected. That's the first spot we rejected after this big move down. Rejected right back up to the pivot. We came down to another MMT key level high volume line right here, this purple line. We rejected again. Big old rejection that time. This other volume line at 33, we rejected once, twice off of this volume line. We came up right to 33, rejected back down. When I used to plot all of these volume lines manually, I did them on the 1-minute, the 5-minute, and the 60-minute. And it's so much easier having them automatically plotted for me. That was the whole reason I created the key levels indicator. And using the special volume lines on the delta bars chart will give you some really unique volume levels lines, as the delta bars are based completely off of supply and demand. I also threw up the volume candles indicator from NINZA. I used to use this a lot, especially on Renko charts and the 5-minute chart. You can see out of this whole move, we've got two high volume candles. See when the high volume's building up, getting some nice breakout moves in that direction, especially when we got a triple signal along with it, or a double signal. This is basically my chart setup from the last video. I've got the price action indicator pointing at the full-bodied candles, and also wicks with these white diamonds. I love looking for wicks on the delta bars. Wicks on the delta bars are unlike time-based wicks. Then I've also got delta divergence and RSI divergence and RSI reversals from the trend and reversal indicator with the RSI as an input. I've got the Heikin Ashi in the background, the Heikin Ashi core printing the background colors. You can see earlier in the morning, this candle closed 18 seconds into the New York Open, 9:30 plus 18 seconds. We got some strong volume, got a boner candle, got some RSI divergence, got a bunch of delta, closed below the 20 SMA, had a nice drop there. Then we got a triple signal to the upside, pop back up to VWAP. Heikin Ashi was green that whole time. Heikin Ashi turns red, RSI divergence, boner candle to the downside, more strong delta, nice push down, double signal, we break above the 20. Heikin Ashi is green, we get a nice wick signal to the upside, we push back up to the overnight open. Heikin Ashi is staying green the whole time. I know on my time-based charts things didn't look this smooth, but with the MMT delta bars bar type, this is a bar type based completely off of delta. Not only are we seeing what's going on behind the scenes of the time-based candles, but we're getting them printed as actual candles on our charts. Candles based completely off of delta. These are the same settings that I was using yesterday. Trend of 100, reversal of 300 delta. Had some major volume building up on this candle. This was not even a reversal candle. And we had a big wick from this white diamond. Then we got a really nice size move to the downside. Once we get down here, the delta candles start getting really tiny. We're building up lots of divergences. We finally get a green candle, the green Heikin Ashi background, double signal. Get a nice little pop back up to the pivot point. That's 10:30, that's when I'm done. Right here, this is the center of the 15-minute opening range, which is already set by this time. See how we're wicking off the center. When we come back down, we get a bunch of hold up right at the 15-minute center. It's one of my favorite key levels. But when we start closing below the center of the 15-minute opening range, the bias changes to shorts. Got the red Heikin Ashi background this whole time. We break out of the 15-minute range and break below the pivot point there. Continue the down move. So I just wanted to share some more examples of how you can possibly use the delta bars along with the other indicators. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. There's links to the MMT line of indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. There's also links to all the prop firms that I'm trading with. If you use code MonkeyMan over at Apex or Take Profit Trader or Tradeify, you get the best deal possible and you help support the work that I do on this channel. The volume candles indicator that's printing these high volume levels, that's from NINZA. So are the innovative ordering buttons, and so is the volume profile. If you use code MonkeyMan over at NinzaCo, you also get the best price possible. Even if they're having a crazy 60% off sale, if you use code MonkeyMan, you get an even deeper discount. And that coupon code also works at their other site, Rinko Kings. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.